Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file, and when they opened it up, the text isn't matching up. It's not even on the screen of the other item. And I'm thinking he's asking me how to do it easily. And if we look, this is all ungrouped together. So we're going to group this one, Control G. We're going to move it out of the way for a second, and we're going to grab these and we're going to move these out of the way. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. This one looks like it belongs on that one. So I'm going to Control G and group them, and then hit P, put them in the center of the page. Now, it's not exactly on the money, but now if we set our nudge factor on something low like 0.01 and grab, you can either grab the text or and also that 3/16 is a little funny. And I'm just going to nudge. Actually, probably need to nudge this down. I picked the black. You know what? Maybe up. And then over. And it's kind of crowded, but that fits. Now, I don't know why maybe he inadvertently did that, put an outline around it. We'll ungroup this for a second. See if we can't grab this text. A lot of times you have to click off of it. And see, we're grabbing. If we can come in from the outside and grab that, because that's still grouped together. The other one, I must ungroup the other one. Now come from the outside. Wow. Now come from the outside and take away the outline. Everything pretty much fits. I mean, it's a little, confusing. I would personally maybe move every other one of the size to the other side of the drill hole. Evidently, he's making either for sockets or drill bits, but everything else kind of fits together. This is probably for ratchets and a screwdriver, and these holes are to pick the device up out of the foam, and these might be extensions. And I would bet, now if we group this together, Control G, I would bet if we Control G, move this out of the way and put this in the center of the page, and move this one, Control G to group it and hit P. This, we might have to move this downward. More like that. They're actually pretty tight tolerance, but that might be his problem. Then there's one more column and then a big column for that one. I don't understand these other parts, but maybe he will. Anyway, I hope that helps him a little bit. Thank you for watching.